Mbadi nigo bono habutolera nere sabari ya bene asenseri America iliyokwira na imensi ya Kenya iliyokomorera musike Raila Odinga okwane mambi ya rero hekero aikira na segetiga chindege Mbadi yubo igo kabero munyakerugo bwe kyama kya ODM nigo bono aereire sabari yaye amono musike Raila Odinga hiyohereye myaka gwitania 30 asatumire engora yaye ya bene gochiase amate yaye na gusaba Kenya koene kyo botoeru chinga kechiga chokomorera umusike Raila Odinga.
I got a flight that was transiting through Lome and then Ethiopia, and I've just arrived here in Nairobi to the developments that are happening. Difficult to believe, but again, we have to be strong for our people. It's a sad moment. Something, all deaths are never expected, but this clearly was unexpected. I knew Mzee was a bit unwell, but at the time now he was passing on, he was much better. We spoke with him on Saturday and he was much okay. But again, as fate would have it, we are now talking a different language. It is hard to refer to him in the past, but again, life is God-given. And so he has lived his life. He has left a mark that I'm sure it is debatable, but I don't think there is any other leader who has left the kind of a mark that Raila Odinga is leaving. Speaking to our people, speaking to his lovers, his supporters, I only want to mention that if Mzee is looking at us from above, there is one thing that he really stood for that he would want to see. That is a united country and a united people. He would want his people to unite. He would want his country to unite. Let us try as much as possible as we mourn. Difficult as it is, emotions are running high, but let us try to maintain the kind of peace that Mzee would love to see. And to law enforcement officers, it may be difficult and trying, but please just make sure that the law and order that is maintained does not result into loss of life. I am sure Mzee would have not loved to see anyone losing his or her life because of mourning him. So let us try, both wananchi and also the law enforcement officers,